When you picture getting to the final step in your cell and gene manufacturing process, there's a viable product being administered to the patient, and it's critical that you finish strong. Introducing the Finia fill and finish system, the first fully automated benchtop device of its kind to produce precise results at one of the most critical steps in your cell and gene therapy manufacturing process, helping to make the risks of the manual fill and finish process a thing of the past. Now it's functionally closed automation, reducing the risk of contamination and operator-to-operator variability. A system that's gentle on the cells, so you can be confident with greater than 90% post-thaw cell viability. Consistent mixing and active temperature control to maintain a reliable environment that supports cell health. Air removal from product bags to protect your final product during cryopreservation. Precise volume control, so your product meets your release and dosing needs. Data management that allows you to collect performance metrics, track chain of custody, and record data to support your GMP efforts. Finish strong. Precise results, reduced risk, product confidence. The Finia fill and finish system. Schedule a demo today.